Midday News is brought to you by Dogra Chemist. Get 15 to 60% discount on all medicines and surgical items. Visit Dogra Chemist, Airport Road, Jammu. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha on Tuesday launched an online portal to facilitate e-management and monitoring of infrastructure. The LG also launched 2 mobile applications that will allow residents to register and track their grievances, enable effective supervision of developmental projects through the data updated by the field staff. The portal would facilitate complete online management and monitoring of infrastructure with the various functionalities, including geo-tracking and dynamic update.
ये जो दूसरा इंजीनियर्स के लिए सर जिसका नाम सप्लीमेंट उस प्रोजेक्ट के फाइल में जाकर के ऐड हो जाएगा।
The Jammu and Kashmir administration on Tuesday issued a fresh official protocol list putting the status of the District Development Council chief at par with those of the mayors of Jammu and Srinagar Municipal Corporation. The J&K General Administration Department issued the new warrant of precedence nearly a month after newly elected members staged a protest over an issue of protocol and monthly honorarium. Nearly a month ago, a delegation of agitation DDC chairpersons had also met Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, who had reiterated his commitment to safeguarding their interest. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh on Tuesday said high voter turnout in Assam during polling reflects pro-incumbency as he exuded confidence that the BJP will return to power in the state for the second consecutive term. With the conclusion of the third and the final phase of the polling on Tuesday for Assam Assembly elections, the BJP's victory is sealed for definite, he said. Singh recalled that in 2016 too, the voting percentage was the same range but was against in Congress. 3 anti-personnel mines were found and are subsequently destroyed in a controlled explosion by the bomb disposal squad in the Samba district of Jammu and Kashmir. The mines, which had gathered rust indicating that they had remained buried for a very long time, were found by the local resident during the excavation work adjoining in his field in the Dera village. The explosive devices were destroyed in a controlled explosion without causing any damage. Jammu and Kashmir recorded 561 fresh COVID-19 cases on Tuesday that took its tally to 134,015, while 2 more fatalities pushed the death toll to 2,012. Of the fresh cases, 384 were reported from Kashmir Division and 177 from the Jammu Division. Srinagar district recorded the highest number of fresh cases at 222, including 63 travellers, and followed by 99 in the Jammu Division, 54 in the Baramulla. Number of active cases in Jammu and Kashmir stands at 4,483, while 1,27,520 patients have recovered so far. In the view of expected increase in the number of pilgrims during the Sri Amarnath Ji Yatra 2021, Principal Secretary to Lieutenant Governor Niteshwar Kumar on Tuesday reviewed the preparedness for augmenting the logistics and facilities for the pilgrims. During the meeting, the Principal Secretary sought details about the preparedness put in place for enhancing the capacity for accommodating the expected high number of pilgrims in this year's Yatra. It is estimated that close to 6 lakh pilgrims could visit the holy cave for paying obeisance to the Lord Shiva. Deputy Commissioner Jammu Anshul Garg on Tuesday chaired a meeting of concerned officers to review the progress of COVID vaccination of people above 45 years of age in the district. The meeting discussed the status of COVID-19 vaccination besides the impact of precautions needed to be taken in the district to control spread of the COVID. At the outset, the concerned officer appraised the DC that against 4.28 lakh beneficiaries, 1.10 lakh have also been so far administered COVID vaccines. Advisor to Lieutenant Governor Farooq Khan on Tuesday convened 28th Annual General Meeting of J&K Women's Development Corporation. During the meeting, accounts for the year 2018 and 19 were adopted. The advisor Farooq Khan, who is also the chairman JKWDC, asked the corporation to keep on doing work for the extended benefits to the significant gender of our community. He remarked that the women are the important constituent of the population and deserves handholding and encouragement. Principal Secretary, Agriculture, Production and Farmer Welfare Department Naveen Kumar Chaudhary on Tuesday chaired a meeting of officers to chalk out the strategy for procurement of seeds and preparedness for the Kharif season 2021. Principal Secretary, while speaking on the occasion, stressed on framing three-year vision of the seed procurement and increasing the production of crops in Jammu and Kashmir. He emphasized formulation of broad guidelines for procurement of seeds. He directed for the quality check and testing of seeds before distributing amongst the farmers, beside asking the concerns for seed procurement from certified suppliers like National Seed Corporation.